Hello class 7th, welcome to the new session 2020-21. This is Atul sir and I am your history civics teacher. Today I am going to teach you the first chapter of your history, the rise of Christianity. Okay, the first chapter, rise of Christianity. Over here, Christianity means the religion based on the teaching of Jesus Christ. In this chapter, we will study about these four headings, and these headings are introduction, birth of Christianity, Jesus Christ. In this Jesus Christ, we will study about the life of Jesus Christ, and the last is crucifixion. Over here, we will study about the death of Jesus Christ. Okay, let's discuss about the introduction. Historians have divided the study of the past into periods, that is ancient period, medieval period and modern period. Medieval period and modern period is known as CE, that is common era, and the ancient period is known as BCE, that is before common era. Now the question is, what is medieval period? So the period that lies between the ancient and modern periods is known as middle or medieval period. Okay, in India, medieval period lies from 8th century to 18th century, and in Europe this lies from 6th century to 16th century. Okay, 1 century is equal to 100 years. Now historians describe the medieval period in Europe as a dynamic because the following areas were reorganized, means the people faced many big changes in society, economy, polity, culture and religion. Okay, let's discuss about the next heading, birth of Christianity. The Roman Empire was one of the greatest in its time. It means Roman Empire was very powerful at that time. Taking the advantage of their power in the middle of the 1st century BCE, the Romans conquered Palestine, and the Palestine was the homeland of Jews. At that time, Herod was the Roman ruler. He tortured and killed many Jews. Facing the torture of the Roman ruler, Jews were very much disappointed and they started waiting for their Messiah, the God who would liberate them from foreign rule. They were waiting for the God who would free them from this Roman rule. Then Jesus Christ preached his messages. Before studying about the Jesus Christ messages, let's discuss about the life of Jesus Christ. Okay, let's discuss about the next topic, that is Jesus Christ. Jesus was born in Bethlehem in about 4 BCE. His parents were Joseph and Mary. It is said that an angel appeared to Mary and told she would give birth to a blessed child, and that child was the Jesus. What are the sources from where we get the knowledge about the Jesus Christ? That is the 4 Gospels. These are the 4 books named Matthew, Mark, Luke and John, which provide us the knowledge about the Jesus Christ. These Gospels tell us Jesus grew up in Nazareth. He was a carpenter, but soon he left the profession and began preaching the message of love, brotherhood and compassion. Sermon on the Mount was his famous preaching, and he has given the message that love your enemies, do not judge others, have faith in God, give to the needy. And the last one was do unto others as you would have others do unto you. This point means that treat the people in the same manner as we wished to be treated. Further, let me discuss that some of his followers believed Jesus to be the promised Messiah. It means some of the followers of Jesus, they started considering Jesus as their God. But some Jewish priests felt threatened by Jesus. After feeling threatened, what happened? These priests complained to the Roman governor, and that Jesus has been arrested on false charges. So the governor arrested Jesus on the false charges of calling himself the King of Jews and encouraging people to rebel against the Roman Empire. So let's discuss about the crucifixion. In 30 CE, that is Common Era, Jesus was crucified in Golgotha as a political rebel. Since then, the cross became the sacred symbol for the Christians, and afterwards, some people believed that Jesus rose and went to the heaven. Okay, some people started believing that Jesus rose from the dead and he went to heaven. Then Christianity gained acceptance in Rome also. Afterwards, at last, Bishop of St. Peter's Church regarded as Jesus' representatives and called as Pope or the Father. Now assignment time. Now students, I am going to give you some assignment over here. 5 questions are written. You have to find out the answers of these 5 questions, and you will write the question answers in your old or previous history civics copy. So now the first question is, what do you understand by the term medieval? Second question, discuss the background against which Jesus Christ emerged as the preacher of the masses. Third question, what do the Gospels tell us about Jesus Christ's life? Fourth question, what did Jesus Christ preach? And the last question is, why was Jesus Christ crucified? Okay. Now when the school will reopen, I will check this assignment. So this is all about the first chapter. Finally, I would like to say that stay home, stay safe.